Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the TOEFL exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including its 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Knowing how each section is scored will help you focus your efforts. Next, create a study plan that allocates sufficient time, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily, for at least 8 weeks. Finally, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses across all skill areas. This initial assessment is crucial for targeted practice. For the reading section, regularly engage with academic articles, textbooks, and journals. Focus on understanding main ideas, specific details, and vocabulary and context. Aim to read for at least 30 minutes each day. For listening, immerse yourself in university-level lectures and conversations. Pay close attention to the speaker's tone and purpose. Develop strong note-taking skills, capturing key points and supporting details efficiently, as this is vital for both sections. To excel in the speaking section, practice responding to prompts under timed conditions. Engage in conversations with English speakers whenever possible to build fluency and confidence. For the writing section, focus on developing clear, coherent essays with strong thesis statements and supporting arguments. Practice typing your responses to improve speed and accuracy. Recording your speaking practice can help you identify pronunciation issues and improve your delivery. As your exam date approaches, take several full-length practice tests to simulate the actual testing environment. This helps build stamina and manage time effectively. Thoroughly review all your answers, especially incorrect ones, to learn from your mistakes and refine your strategies. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before and arrive at the test center early. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Stay calm and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.